Hi, my name is Mihaela. Let's dive into what's new in this Flow Manager release. First, I want to mention that this Flow Manager version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing Flow Manager instances. However, I want to remind you that Flow Manager requires a database to store the Flow repository, either an integrated or external MongoDB. If you are using MongoDB, check that the version is 4.4 or 5.0, especially before performing an update. Otherwise, you may have issues updating Flow Manager. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. Regarding security, in this month's version we've added support for Java 17, as end of active support for Java 11 will be in September 2023. We've also updated the Docker image for the bridge and agent. And we've updated Swagger library to remove some library vulnerabilities. Some of the most critical fixes in this release are: we fixed a deployment error on hybrid patterns when using Azure file storage. We fixed an issue with regenerating patterns when updating from June 2023 release to July 2023. And you can check the release notes for details on these and other fixes and product enhancements. This new version comes with a forgot password link on the login screen. You can now use the forgot password link from the user interface if you forget your password. This link displays on the login page when an internal organization is selected. To be able to successfully use this feature, it's a prerequisite to have an SMTP server available. To configure the SMTP server for Flow Manager email notifications, go to Settings, SMTP. Once this is done, to reset the password of a user, make sure that your user has an email address attached to your Flow Manager account. Then go to the login page, click on Forgot Password, enter the username and the email, and click on Submit. Now an email is sent to that email address from which you can reset the password of this user. Permission settings when uploading files in SFTP via Secure Transport. For flows when Secure Transport is pushing in SFTP, you now have two new fields: Upload Permissions, which sets permissions of the remote file during SFTP push. Secure Transport changes the file permissions as they are set in the SSH transfer site during the transfer. And Upload Permissions with chmod command, which determines whether to use chmod or umask command to change file permissions. Another new feature is Promote Flows from Advanced Patterns. You can now use the promotion functionality to either export or import your subscriptions that were created using advanced patterns. I have already created a subscription using an advanced pattern. As you can see, my subscription has 2 partner sources and 2 CFT applications as targets. What you need to do is to select the subscription you wish to promote, click on Export here, enter an encryption password, and that's it, you have exported your subscription. Next, you need to go to your second Flow Manager environment, access the promotion section, click on Import, browse for the file you have just exported, enter the decryption password, check the dependencies to fix the errors, and click on Import. Now you can check your subscription. As you can see, this is how you export and import a subscription that was created from an advanced pattern. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.